and what we have done as in a plain text and we have some pre-computer key dependent, that is Xbox, because we have in earlier classes we know about what is Xbox and how we share, like we use Xbox, for example, like they are 0 to 1 for like you know about it. If I recall it, like they are four for example is S0, we will start from 0 1 2 3, and there are numbers that we usually use it. So its Xboxes are relatively complex key schedule. Okay, and one half of n-bit key is used as an actual encryption key, and other half of the n-bit key is used to modify the encryption algorithm. So one that you can see over here, the one half of the Xbox is something, it's encryption key, and other is to modify the encryption. That we can modify the encryption as well. So it's something logic going on. You can see over here. Okay, now you can see Xbox over here, and there's something called the pseudo Hadamard transform. So you can see is PSG. It's called PSG. I can show you. I guess you are able to see it. Is over here. Is over here. PSG over here. So if you see in a detail that what is it's something that is called family of ciphers, because they have created different form of terminology, different form of design, and these are the some related to this called the family of cipher. So two fish is I have already told you is like a facial structure like this, and we have already done a lot of what is facial structure. It's in dash. Okay, and you can see over here the maximum distance separable matrix as well. You can implement over here. Okay, so like you can see over here that we have 15 rounds, and there's a technique that input whitening. And if you go and adapt actually like you know that actually it's all about to make sure that there's no possibility to differential attack. Okay, there's no possibility that anyone can attack. So there's some round limitations, and there's something Xbox technique. There's something called pseudo Hadamard, like you call Hadamard transform. Okay, and this is called facial structure and text structure and its design. So it's something technique going on, and you all see that how we convert, and you as you see in the depth, and as you see in in detail that we converted into ciphertext, and how it's like after 15 rounds we converted it to, and there is Zor technique is going on as well. Key 1, key 2, key 3, and after that it's going to Xbox, and Xbox into the Hadamard technique, and then it's go into the input widening, and then go one round, and there is 15 round we have to do it. After 15 round it converted into ciphertext. So this is all about the key algorithm, how two fish actually work. And it's to be honest, I guess if you are able to understand AES, JES, and then you are able to understand Bluefish, so it's very easy to understand Bluefish algorithm. I hope I'm able to cover up all the aspects of Bluefish algorithm, and you are able to understand it. So it's wonderful talking to you. It's wonderful explaining to you guys, and I hope you understand this algorithm. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah. Thank you. Sorry, sir.
जी मनी इसकी एक सोल्यूशन फाइल मैंने कही थी, वो सोल्यूशन फाइल को ज़रा थोड़ा सा ज़रा उस पर एलिबरेट करते हैं कि उसमें की लेकर और उसका प्लेन टैक्स लेकर इसके प्रोसेस से गुजार कर उसको काम करना। ठीक है, वो आप ऐसा करें, नेक्स्ट क्लास में करें। ठीक है,
जी जी सर, ओके सर।
चलें। अच्छा, अभी मैं एक टॉपिक शुरू करवा रहा हूँ। जब तक आप लोग की प्रेजेंटेशन, अच्छा किस किसने प्रेजेंटेशन अपनी बनाकर अब ड्राइव पर अपलोड करके अपना मुनीर साहब को और इमरान साहब को दे दिया लिंक? सब किस किसने दे दिया? मुनीर कोई डिटेल है?
जी सर,
जी सर,
मैंने
शिरोज ने दे दिया। तो शिरोज ने दे दिया है, और एक इमरान ने दे दिया। मुझे लिंक शेयर हुए थे, और
ठीक है,
बाकी मुझे किसी के लिंक शेयर नहीं हुए।
तो अब देखेंगे
सर मैंने
सारे लोग पे लिंक शेयर कर लें। जी हनीफ,
जी सर, मैंने भी लिंक शेयर किया हुआ था इमरान के साथ, और
ठीक है,
आपको भी दिया था लिंक।
ठीक है। आप भी अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन रेडी रखें और कोशिश करेंगे कि सारे टॉपिक्स पूरे हो जाए। जी ठीक है, सारे लोग ये कर लेंगे। अच्छा जी, मैं एक टॉपिक अभी शुरू करवा रहा हूँ WSL सिक्योरिटी के ऊपर। ठीक है, हमारे साथ यहाँ पर दो हमारे मेहमान हैं, वो हमारे गेस्ट हैं यहाँ पर। वो संजय पहले अपना प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू करेंगे। जी संजय, जरा आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हो।
जी जी।
जी संजय।
व्यूएबल है, सबको व्यू हो रहा है?
जी ठीक है, स्टार्ट करें। वायरलेस सेंसर नेटवर्क की सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज है। ठीक है जी, ये अब आप लोगों के सामने लेटेस्ट टॉपिक्स हैं। इसके अंदर आप लोगों को अपना फर्दर काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, और इसमें क्या क्या डिफरेंट डोमेन्स कौन कौन से हैं, और उन डोमेन्स की स्पेशल करेक्टरिस्टिक्स और उनके ऊपर लोगों ने क्या काम किया हुआ है फ्रॉम द रिसर्च पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, तो ये अभी डिस्कशन यहाँ पर करें। ठीक है जी, संजय,
Okay.
व्हाट डू यू।
Uh, First of all, I would introduce myself. Myself Sanjay Kumar, and professionally I am working as a lecturer in KEET, Karachi Institute of Economics and Technology in Korangi campus. I have at least 7 years of teaching experience into the KEET. So I have passed my BS in electronics engineering from International Islamic University, Islamabad. I was on fully funded scholarship on ICT R&D fund. Then after graduation, I just joined immediately into the KEET as a teaching because I was very much keen in teaching. After that, in 2014, I just realized that I should improve my qualification. So I did my master's or MS Electronics in from NED University in 2016. After that, uh, I just got my teaching experience in a widespread area like networking. I taught many courses in the specific domain, but the major or concern of interest of my courses were data communication and networks, routing and switching, basic electronics, digital logic design. So in data communication and routing and switching, just these were the specific portion in which networking was involved. Also, on that side, when I started my PhD in 2018, when I was doing my coursework, in that coursework, a course called cryptography was being taught by our honorable sir, Dr. Adnan Ahmed Siddiqui. From that course, I was inspired that why should not we apply these all kind of algorithms just in the previous presentation. One of the when was discussing about the two fish and AES, like this, such kind of techniques are very useful techniques. So why should not we apply these technique onto the network so that it would be a secure network, and it will give us a very much secure and flexible networks which we can use. So from that, I just started my PhD course and I tried my best to work on that specific portion. So today our agenda would be about the security on the wireless network. First of all, we will be discussing the introduction of that. Then a major area network into the wireless network, which is being used right now, and it's actually expanding day by day into our research life. Then after that, I will work or I will discuss the literature review of that how many researchers are working on that current topic and why they are working, what are the problems